Now, what would this cost if you were trying to get that with Google Ads? Well, I run Google Ads for this HVAC company and several others. The average cost per click on the low end is $25. So someone does some type of HVAC click, it's going to cost them $25. The average conversion rate, and this would be 4 times above average, but this is what I generally see as averages of 10 to 15%. So out of 100 people who visit your website or click your ads, 15 of them generally, 10 to 15 will generally call or fill out some type of form.